Another scorching day outside, and we are headed to Waiheke today, which is an island just off the coast of Auckland. It's only half hour on the ferry, so here we are at Stony Ridge, which is a vineyard in Waiheke. Check this out. And this vineyard is considered one of the top 10 vineyards in the world. And the thing about Waiheke that's upbuzz is that it's only half an hour away from Auckland. And in terms of photography, I've been taking a few photos this week. Went out to Muriwai, which is again half an hour away. I'll show you some photos now. The cool thing was here was that I was up on the hill and looking down on the mountain. I had the lens maxed out at 135mm, and it was cool to just pick off shots of people in focus. The funny thing about being out there was that when I was here with my cool camera, this guy came out, and I kid you not, he had a 300, it might have been 600mm lens. It was absolutely ridiculous. It looked like someone had just unrolled a glad wrapper and stuck it onto his camera, and he just started taking photos. So this was, and he must have been picking out pebbles from the island that was miles out in the ocean. And actually I just really liked that guy. I was just like, you're cool, and you inspired me to buy those ridiculous lenses that you see in the camera shot that no one would ever buy except sports photographers. But just on Waiheke, we have a long weekend. This vineyard, we actually met the owner today, and he was just saying that he wanted to set this vineyard up with the intention that anyone could come, no matter what age you were, how much money you had or anything, and just have a good vibe where you just felt like encouraged to stay here. We just felt encouraged to stay here and be here and banter. And we have been here since 10:30 in the morning. It's now 8 o'clock and we're still here. Just a testament to how cool this vineyard is. It's actually our former Prime Minister's favourite wine, Mr. John Key. So there's a lot of things going for it. In terms of photography, the third week of the photo challenge was manual exposure. So that was, I'll show you a photo now, which was my friend jumping, and I learnt how to take jump shots, which is where you basically turn your shutter speed up to quite high, like I turned it up to 1 in 1000, and then you turn your camera setting mode to high continuous setting. And when you do that, you just hold down the shutter button and you just click plus, and as people jump, it captures heaps of shots of them jumping in the air. Notice that I sort of skipped week 2. Week 2 was contrast. I found that extremely hard. I kind of want to do a video just about how hard I found it, but in the end I ended up taking a photo of a tattoo parlor. Yeah, it's kind of cool, but could be better. All in all, I think in terms of photography, like constantly, as I say, putting myself out there into situations is what has been really fun. I have been, we're moving houses in a couple of weeks, and in the process of doing that I'm going to set up a studio which will help in terms of filming more. That's going to be really exciting, and I think I've got a good goal this year to just pump out more content and keep taking photos because it's just so much fun. I want to do some reviews of gear and things like that, but in terms of Waiheke, there's some parties going on behind me. I don't know if you can see it. But yeah, in terms of Waiheke, that's it from the Boysies, and see you in the next video.